So we were discussing skin. We were discussing skin. Yes, ma'am. What were you absent for so many days? So you got injury. Now are you fine? Okay. So tell me that I told you that you only tell me the different layer of the epidermis.
No, I did. Corneum, lucidium, granulosum, spinosum, and lucid.
Stratum, cornea, like this.
Stratum, cornea, stratum, lucidium, stratum, granulosum, stratum, spinosum,
Spinosum and
stratum,
vesicle. And any specific layer which is present only the specific part of the body out of sight, which one?
Spinosum.
Spinosum.
lucidium.
When spinosum also, when three are there.
But lucidium,
Lucidium is in palm.
spinosum is there, but it's not mentioned. It's like this. 4 are there in everybody's body. And how many layers of dermis? 2. What are? Papillary and reticular. What are the skin derivatives? What are the skin?
The nail, hair, mammary gland, sebaceous gland, sweat gland.
Sweat gland. Okay. So now we just need to revise hair and then hair, nail, and then we'll continue with this. So we already discussed. Yes? Now, look at here. Epidermis. Right. Okay. What is this part called? It is visible on the skin.
Hair shaft.
Hair shaft. Here. And then this portion.
Hair root.
Yes. Here to here it is. Here to here it is. Root. Like in plant. Shoot system and root system is there. So this one is hair shaft, just like a shoot system in plant. And whatever the embedded portion in the dermis, that is known as hair root. And don't be confused with root hair. What the difference between root hair and hair root?
Hair is in plants.
Root hairs are in plant. So here, hair root. And then this bulbous part it is?
Hair bulb.
What it is?
Bulb.
And this one, portion which is richly supplied with blood vessels and nerves. Nerve endings are also here in this. That's why we feel touch. When someone touches here, we feel it, no? Senses are there or not?
Smooth muscles are there.
These are hair papilla. A smooth muscles, that's a bundle of smooth muscle is also there. That means like they attach to the epidermis. And when a person in a state of fear or feel very much cold, then hair is contract and it relax and moves a little bit here and the hair straightens. That actually the temperature regulative technique or the activity of the body. Because when the person feels cold, So means it try to what you can say contract, or what you can say a small this opening, so that it body can save its heat. Hair follicle,
Ma'am, it is on.
like suppose this is pot, this is root, and this is plant. So this pot is hair follicle. Where it is means this portion. Where this is embedded is hair follicle. Fine. So hair shaft, hair root, this bulbous portion, this is the softest portion of the hair, and hair papilla, where the blood supply and the nerve endings are there, and where this bulb is embedded in it, that is hair follicle. Hair this is all about. Here in this sebaceous gland also, they secreted in this only. Around it, the sebaceous gland, and out of two, one type of sweat gland is also open in it. What's that? Apocrine gland. Apocrine glands are of two types, acrine gland and apocrine. So apocrine gland is also open in it. Hair follicle. So this is all about hair structure. Take out your notebook and note down all these things. They were attended this class. This is just revision. You can write. Okay. Now nail. Right now I am raising it. You can note down from other girls. They have attended the class. You were absent? Reason? Huh? Feeling very much cold? Huh? Okay. Then here also, nail. Basically, how many parts are there in nail? What are those?
Nail plate, nail bed, and nail matrix.
Yes, nail plate. The nail, the hard chitinized layer, that is nail plate. So this is nail plate. Where this nail is rested on the muscle, that is known as nail bed. And the half moon portion is there, lunula or matrix. Its function is to make new cells. Yes. So three main basic parts are there in this nail. Nail folds are also there. I told you. What are those portions? Where nail overlap with skin. All around here. Nail. Then sweat gland. This is just revision going on. Sweat gland is of two types. another is in the two type of sweat glands are there, acrine and apical. I told you that day also, means they are specifically in the axilla or in genital region. Apocrine glands and acrine, they are mainly on the all over the body. This is the difference between the two type of sweat gland. There another name of the sweat gland is sudoriferous. Sudoriferous. What is the meaning of pseudo? Sweat. That's why it is known as sudoriferous gland. What is the composition of sweat?
99% water, then salt, ammonia, and amino acid,
Water. Almost maximum portion is water. Then NaCl 0.2 to 0.5 NaCl. Then vitamin C, lactic acid, vitamin C, ammonium and lactic acid. Then mammary gland. Okay. So here these mammary glands are the specialized sweat glands. And what function? To secrete milk, to feed their baby. Here in this two portions are there that first they are present in male and female both. But after some time in childhood only their growth in the male is stopped and in female in puberty stage it will well develop. And then mammary glands are having the mammary lobules, which is made up of epithelial cells, milk secreting cells, and they having the milk duct.
This milk is not secreted, then what will happen? If this milk would not be secreted, then what would happen?
In this,
If the milk would not be secreted, then what would happen?
milk would not be secreted, then what happened?
In any type of hormone,
They in female, there may be hormonal changes or due to some reason they dried up. So this is all about mammary gland. There is a pigmented part that is known as areola. almost 15 to 25 lobes are there in each mammary glands. Then sebaceous gland. Sebaceous glands are the oil gland, and where they are open? Yes. Let's suppose this is here. So sebaceous glands are open. Like this. So their function is to secrete. What is sebaceous gland? Function is to secrete what?
Oil.
Sebum, oil, and its function is to make skin soft, to lubricate it. And sometimes blackhead, acne, they are comes on the skin. Why? Because of some hormonal changes. Sometimes the sebaceous glands they secrete oil, and due to some bacterial infection, the secretion become more, and that's filled with the sebum. Blackhead, how the blackhead from this opening become white, and when it come in contact with oxygen, oxidation occur in sebum, and because of that it become black. The oil present in